submitted. This is one.
So no
There
one
you
here.
go. Yes.
Now I can see the hat, right? Okay. Oh, by the way, this was Cyber's thing before.
Yeah, and I got in the last video.
Yeah, got a makeover.
This is how he joins the mafia.
Yeah. Mexican mafia. Very fancy. It's very fancy.
You fancy?
Fancy brush. Fancy brush. Should better haircut. God, I'm gonna do that now.
What?
One haircut.
Fine.
One haircut.
Oh, jeez.
Flip on this side.
Yeah. Let's take him out into the hallway. I know where to put it.
Where?
My mom's room.
Oh my god, you should close the door.
Yeah.
Your mom's room.
It's really stupid. Ow. What the hell? It doesn't need it. It's going to defeat the purpose of being evil.
Yeah, okay. Maybe we should just... Because it's so obvious. Let me take it off.
Yeah.
It's not a game, Matthew.
Okay, help me bring it. No, it's fake. It's fake. No.
Right.
No, Jerry, it's fake. Jerry, no. It's gonna like come alive or something and just jump on you. So weird. Yeah, help me pull. She's in the backyard. We have to go quick.
In the bathroom?
No. Because I want my dad. Yeah. Like,
Oh my god.
it's like, come here Sunday. Or put it right there. No, put it like right there. Should we? Or should we just put it right here?
Go downstairs and see if it looks good here.
Okay.
Wait, facing out?
Yeah.
Should we leave it there?
No, we're getting inside the room.